Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to add logo and watermark in our video clip. So without any further delay, let's start it. I already added a sample video clip in timeline. To add a logo in this video, simply at first create a new video track. To do this, I just simply right click on this and select insert video track. And I already imported a sample Rockstar logo in this project media section. Now I click this image file logo actually and drag it in timeline. To cover the logo this whole video, I just scratch it like this. Alright, now to make this smaller and set it just in this position, simply click on this event plan crop. To make this smaller, simply click and drag it down to make it smaller. And then move it and set it anywhere you want. But you can do this in another way, easy way, using the drag motion. To do this, select this hamburger icon if you don't see the drag motion icon right here. I just select this hamburger icon and select edit visible button set. And this time I check this drag motion and hit OK. Now I click on this drag motion icon. From here you can resize it, your logo, and place it any of your preferred position. Alright, and yes, we are done. Let's play this clip now.
Heading over to my friend's shop. He's actually got a beast of a wood shop and he's making me a desk right now. I got the legs in my trunk. Office just with like a knife whittling like away at a piece of wood to make a spoon.
Awesome. Now this time we add a watermark instead of this logo. To add a watermark in this position, at first I just delete this track. To delete this one, I just right click on this and select delete track. And create a new video track and right click on this and insert a new text media. And for this time I just simply type his name, Peter McKinnon. Alright, now I select this one and from this drop down menu I just simply select this American Captain font. Alright, now I resize this one and place it right here. To decrease the opacity of this text, to make it like a watermark, simply expand this text color and decrease the value of transparency. Alright. And yes, we are done. Now I scratch it like this to add this watermark over the whole video. Let's play this clip now.
Just got to my friend's shop. Super cold outside. I haven't even had coffee yet, so if I'm a little bit, that is why. This place, incredible. It smells so good in here. If I could just move this smell to my house.
Pretty cool, right? So in this way, you can easily add logo or watermark in your any video clip. Thank you so much for watching.